I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back with another one, or continuing the same one. As you can see, we got our little test bench set up for the radio. You know what I'm saying? We got the Pioneer hooked up. This is the old school joint, you know, with the graphics on the screen and all that stuff. So, pretty dope, man. Pretty dope. So, as you can see, the power's on and all that good stuff. We're gonna see if we can get some sound out of it. So we got a little bit of sound. I guess it's only I was hitting source, but I guess other than the radio and the CD player, that's all we got. So slide a little gospel mix off in here, like mother, like son. I'm saying make sure to read, since we got for our other one that we wanted.
Ooh, kryptonite.
Like mother, like son, huh? Okay, mom, I'm ready. Fire. Against the odds, raising the bar. The hurt in her eyes, we're raising the star. Yeah, I think they surprised I slept in the car. I don't trip. Yeah.
Alicia, wake up.
Yeah. Could you picture the feeling of waking up out of coma? Seeing all of these marks on you, smelling the aroma of bodily foul odors. Wanna scream help, but you don't even know yourself. They are you in the mirror. Wonder, let's take it back to 85, baby, and boom, it's due June. Mama water broke early in March, it's too soon. Doctor saying it's stable, but not too far from fatal. Mama praying while they clip the umbilical from my navel. Knew us to pray, and they been my her girls in the incubator. The daughter Alicia, another single mother, raising her own child. This beautiful little girl with the prettiest little smile. Every morning she kissed and told her she loved her and meant it. Never called Alicia, just my little. Every night she Matthew and Luke, Lord's Prayer. As long as you call on them, he'll always be right there. Very religious in high school, very ambitious. Led it in track, I ranked in every division. On the road student, not to mention the scores on the SAT. Gave her multiple scholarship choices to make a decision. Yeah, most 16-year-old girls was quite fast, but she was 16, headed down the right path. Nightmares of a pregnant made her mother overprotective, not knowing that might be the very reason she might crash. Disagree with moms, but never.
Yeah, so between the tuner and the CD player, that's what we got.
Teach me how to say my prayers. Tell me how beautiful. Anything in life I can do it all.
But I mean, that's cool. That's gonna work. $30 CD player. It is what it is. Like I told you, I was gonna check and see what we had in the Caprice. I couldn't remember really. I know it was a Pioneer. I just didn't know how old. So this one actually has the aux cord, so I'm gonna probably leave this one like it is. Yeah, definitely gonna leave this one like it is, so that we can have that aux cord. The Kenwood has the aux cord. This Pioneer probably gonna go in the Chevelle, like I planned. You know, we don't drive it all that time. We'll make like one hot ass CD for it and leave it in the deck. So, like I said, that serves our purpose. You know, got a little graphic stuff going on with it. You know, so not bad. $30. So, what's next, y'all? Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Gone.